Good morning, first grade. Welcome back for math today. Today we are going to be taking a look at ordinal positions. Ordinal positions are the order in which you put yourself or you put a set of objects. So as we take a look today, we're going to take a look at these linking cubes. You can get linking cubes out as well to help you if you need it. But for today, let's take a look at these linking cubes. Okay, we have green, yellow, red, blue, pink, and white. Now, right now, green is in the front of our line. Okay, so let me put my marker here. This is the front of the line. This is the door. Okay, so green is in the front and white is in the back. So he would be in first. The first spot. After first comes second. After second comes third. After third, fourth, then fifth, and then sixth. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We say this is first, and sometimes we say if you're in the spot that's at the back, you're in last. You're in the last spot. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now we're gonna keep this for our door. Let's go ahead and rearrange our order. Okay, now I have rearranged our order here, and let's look at our cubes now. This is still my door. Okay, which cube is in the first spot? This blue one is, you're right. Which cube is in the fourth spot? Ooh, if I don't know, I can always count it out. First, second, third, fourth. That's this white one, fourth spot. Which cube is in the second spot? First, second, right here, the red one. Which cube is in the sixth spot? Ooh. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Which cube is in the third spot? First, second, third. Good. Which cube is in the fifth spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's the yellow. Okay, we're gonna mix that around one more time. Here we go. Okay, last time. Here's our door. You'll notice we always go from left to right. We go from left to right, left to right. We always start the left and we work our way to the right. Okay, which cube is in the third spot? Orange, red. Which cube is in the sixth spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Green, which is in the first spot? Pink, which is in the fourth spot? First, second, third, fourth. Yellow, which is in the second spot? White, which is in the fifth spot? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Blue, blue's in the fifth spot. All right, first grade. You can remember also that you can use your red folder to help you with ordinal position. So if you open up your folder on the inside, you will find a spot for ordinal position. So you will also see that it'll say first is the number one in line. If you count two spots, 1, 2, that's second. Third spot in line, you have to count 3. 1, 2, 3, that's third, that's the red. Fourth, you're gonna count 4 times. Did you hear 4 in fourth? 1, 2, 3, 4, that's fourth. Fifth, you hear 5 in fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sixth, you hear 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, friends, now you need to go ahead and please get out your fact sheet and your pencil and come right back. Okay, first grade, so you need to have your class practice sitting in front of you. Please go ahead and make sure that your name is on it right away so that you do not forget your name. Your name is really super important so that we know exactly who did your work. Remember, you hear me say that every day. Make sure your name is on your paper. Now, you're going to be having 2 minutes to work on this front side. How many minutes do you have? 2. I'm going to show you those 2 minutes on the screen right behind what I'm saying right now, and you'll have 2 minutes. When the time goes off and you see me back, then you'll know that your time is up, okay? So you'll use a pencil and you're going to work for 2 minutes. Ready? Set. Oops, don't forget. You have to start here at the top, go all the way across. Then when you've done 4 plus 4, oops, now I'm going to go to the next row. And I'm going to start with 8 plus 8, and I'm going to keep going, then I'll go to my 3rd row. Okay, now you have it all. 2 minutes, ready, set, go. Okay, first grade, now that you've finished the front side, if there were any that you did not get done, you can go ahead and take a crayon or colored pencil later and finish the front side. But your homework is to make sure that this back side is done. 7B, see here it says 7B, make sure your name is on it, and then you're gonna go ahead and complete all of 7B. When you're done, ask someone to correct your paper. They'll put their signature there saying that it was corrected by them, and then you put that back into your folder so that you're ready to go for your next day's work. Now, we're gonna get right into our guided class practice. So first, please go ahead and make sure that you have your name and the date. I'm gonna put my name on my paper because I want everyone to know that it's mine. And today's date is September 10th, 2020. September 10th, 2020. Remember that I have a capital S for September because it's the name of a month. So you need to have a capital S and all the rest of your letters are lowercase. Now, we're gonna get right to number 1. If you need more time to fill in your name and the date, pause our video, and then when you're done, make sure that you hit play again so you can get right back in where we are. We're at number 1. It says fill in the missing days of the week. Remember, you have your red folder, so if you need help with this, you can go to your red folder to help you. What day of the week comes before Monday? Monday? What comes before Monday? Before Monday is Sunday. Capital S for Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. So we have Sunday with a capital S. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Capital T for Tuesday. All right, friends, now we are going to go ahead and move on to number 2. If you need more time to write in those days of the week, go ahead and pause and then push play when you are done. So number 2, this is talking about our ordinal positions, which we just talked about. We want to put these in the correct spot. Remember that we always, always, always start on the left and we work our way to the right. Just like when we read, we start at the left and we work to our right. So here it says write an I on the second line. This, remember, is your first line. So after first comes second. Write an I on the second line. And it told us what kind of an I. You see that these are lowercase letters. Okay? Write a T on the 5th line. First, second, third, fourth, 5th. I'm putting a T. Write a G on the 3rd line. First, second, third. Write an H on the 4th line. First, second, third, 4th. And write an R on the 1st line. And you can see we actually have a word that we spelled. I told you our math likes to do that to us sometimes. And you can see our word is right. Okay, on to number 3. Write the number that is 1 less. What's 1 less than 28? What comes right before 28 when you count? Here's a great time to pull out that math folder if you need to. What's right before 28? 27 is. What number is 1 less than 16? So go to 16 and go to the left 1 spot. What's just before 16? 15. Great job, first grade. Let's go ahead and move on. We're gonna write the digital time. You can see our clock here. Here's our hour hand. Here's our minute hand. Minute hand is going right up at that 12. Remember, 12 means o'clock, doesn't it? Okay, and our hour hand is pointing at the 3. So remember, when we're looking at digital time, the hour goes to the left of the colon. Remember, these are your colons. And this is your minutes. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock. 3, and the 2 zeros give me o'clock. Lastly, we need to find the sums. Remember, sums are the answers to our addition problems. So you're gonna go ahead and fill in these sums. We've been working on this in our afternoon Zoom calls, so hopefully you're working along with us on those. Let's go ahead and do them together. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Let's lean. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 6 plus 6 equals 12. That's 12. 2 plus 2 equals 4. More. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Okay, first grade. On the back side, this is your homework. Please make sure you have your name and the date. Mrs. Friedrichs, why do I need the date on the back side? I already put it on the front side. You need it because it's really great practice for you. That's why you need it. So make sure you have your name and your date. Please make sure that you have your capital S for September, a little space, the 10. Make sure your comma is after the 10 and 2020. If you need, you are welcome to use your red folder, especially for number 1, number 3. That would be really helpful. If you want to use your red folder to help you with your math facts, if there's some that you're not sure on, you can use your math folder for that, or pull out your linking cubes. You can use those too, okay? Make sure that you do the entire back side and have that put in your folder for the day. And then make sure that you come back tomorrow for math. Have a great day.